Mr. Ward was truly a sick guy, and he had a long operation, and his ventricle or his cardiac function was decreased due to a significant injury, and he spent several days in the intensive care unit where we really questioned whether he was going to survive this, and ultimately he's strong and he's motivated, and he's got an incredible family that supported him and got him through this, and we're thrilled to see him standing here today, really.
After the surgery, they were unable to close his chest and had to leave him open and sedated for I think it was 5 days, might have been 6, but for a number of days before they could actually close his chest because he was so swollen internally. And during that time suffered some oxygen loss to his brain and other things, but wasn't expected to be here at all. And thanks to everyone here, he's now home and doing extremely well, and there's almost no sign of any brain injury, and just doing phenomenally well.
Well, when I came to, I looked at pictures on the wall that my grandchildren have brought, and I watched the people working on everybody in our suite. I just looked at it and said, you know what? These people have dedicated their life. They need more than a simple thank you from all of us. We all thank them. We were just constantly saying, I appreciate what you're doing, etc. But I thought that's not enough. I want something that's tangible, physical, and a memory that they can say, that day we were honored for all the hard work that we put in. And all of a sudden the marching band flashed in my mind. I used to march in high school, and a marching band flashed in my mind. And I said, I'm sure I can get a high school to do this.
This has been a pretty special day. Dr. Mitchell obviously is such an incredible part of our team, but as he would say, this is for all of the nursing staff and the hospital staff that helped with him. And so it's quite a tribute to all of them to be thanked in such a fashion as having a marching band show up. So we're very grateful that we have a patient who's been able to recognize us in this manner and appreciate his willingness to go the extra mile and come back and show appreciation for all our staff. So I'm very touched by this.
It's very touching, no doubt, especially when you can do an event like this with all the people that took care of him and contributed to his recovery. It's very special. Can't beat it.
I asked several professional people, and they all said it's a memory we'll never forget because it was about them. And rather than doing it individually, I just wanted to do it collectively for whoever's here because they're all working on it. I hope it came across that way. That was our intent.